Hey, it's Andrew from Zappos, and this is the NikeCourt Air Zoom GP Turbo from Nike. This tennis shoe from Nike is designed for hard court play and features a breathable mesh upper with synthetic overlays throughout for structural support, durability, and protection of the foot. You've also got overlays in the high wear areas for added durability and a unique lace-up design that provides a secure fit right where you need it while you play. There's also padding on the tongue and collar for added comfort, a soft fabric lining, and a cushioned footbed that's going to help absorb shock and also features antimicrobial properties to help promote a healthy foot environment while you play. This sits on top of a lightweight foam midsole. There's also a full-length Air Zoom unit that's going to help absorb shock and keep you comfortable while you're playing. You'll notice the rounded heel for a healthier stride, additional lateral support, and it all sits on top of a durable rubber outsole with flex screws for added flexibility and to keep you stable on the surface. Make sure you play at the top of your game when you're rocking these great tennis shoes from Nike.